A very good day to all of you from Amit Kumar Mehta and from Team Wordaholics. Before we start, I just wanted to give you a quick statistic. More than 90% of Indians cannot speak English. They cannot speak fluent English, good, bad, or ugly, and they have problems with vocabulary words. And it is with that particular mission in mind that we started Wordaholics in 2015. We have been helping students, working executives, housewives, and anybody who is curious about English language and wants to master it fast, help master those difficult words which are very, very important, so that they can sound sophisticated in their work life environment in front of friends, relatives, and colleagues, and they can score more in competition examinations which require English as a very, very important subject, as an important component. Now, quickly moving on to the words that we keep on discussing on a daily basis. These are 5 words that you must absolutely know, and you must know it today, so that you can cast an impression upon the people. The first word is recuperate for the day today. Recuperate basically means getting better, recovering, regaining one's health. Hindi would be swasth ho jana. Antonym is deteriorate or worsen. Pronunciation recuperate. Now, what is the Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word for a very, very long time into your memory? Look at the word recuperate. On the left hand side, we have provided an underlined portion. Looks like it's composed of 2 different words, recover and operate. So after you get operated, you have to recover from that. It takes some time because the stitches will go away in time, the pain will go away in time after an operation has happened. You recover in time, that is the recuperation period. What are the various usages? Recuperate faster, recuperate from a knee injury. Sentence 1, don't ignore a cough or a cold and take some time off to recuperate if a doctor recommends, as flu is highly contagious. Doctors will ask you to take some rest so that you can recuperate in a better way. Sentence 2, Mithun Chakravarti has not been keeping too well for the past few months and has gone to Los Angeles to recuperate. Mithun has gone to Los Angeles to recuperate. Sentence 3 and 4, as usual, you can do on your own by pausing the video. We're moving on to the second word for the day. The second word for the day is redeem. Now, redeem basically means to get back, to reclaim, to repossess, to save. That is reclaim. That is redeem. Now, Hindi would be छुड़ा लेना, मुक्ति दिलाना. Antonym is to lose something. Redeeming is claiming something. Pronunciation redeem. Redeem. Now, what is the Wordaholics way of remembering this word? Through visuals, through underlining and mnemonics. If you look at the word redeem, sounds like composed of 2 different words, read and dem. Now, if you have got a coupon, if you have got a voucher, you will have to read the terms and conditions very, very properly before you redeem them. Most of the vouchers are fraud in nature. Most of the vouchers are scam in nature. And that is why you have to read the terms and conditions very, very properly before you go and redeem those vouchers. So that is how you remember this particular word, redeem. Usage, redeem within 1 month. That is what I told you. It's full of scams and full of frauds and full of wrong convincing. How to redeem? Sentence 1, great news for Indian customers. If you have already pre-ordered the Samsung Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus, you can now redeem a free wireless charger. So if you have bought a Samsung, you can get a free wireless charger with these 2 particular categories. Sentence 2, after a frustrating defeat to Mexico, Ghana will attempt to redeem their image as they face USA today. So Ghana had lost earlier and it wants to redeem or reclaim its image. That is what the sentence means. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own. Now, as we keep on saying, there is a link in this particular description of the YouTube video where you can find all the 1200 words we have discussed through this particular method of mnemonics, underlining method and visuals. Moving on to word number 3 for the day, and this is my favorite for the day, reek. Reek basically means stink, smell, disgusting stench emanating from something. Hindi would be durgandh, dhua ana. Antonym is perfume. Reeking is bad smell and antonym would be perfume, smelling good. Pronunciation is reek as the word is. Now, how do you remember this particular word for a very, very long time? Look at the word reek. It sounds like eek. The focus is on double EK, eek. Now, eek is an expression, eek is a reaction that you give when you smell something foul, when you, smell something disgusting, which is not good in smell. So imagine a leak in the drainage system which has caused you to go eek. What is this bad smell all about? So there is a leak in the system which gives you the reaction of eek. So that is how you remember this particular word, reek. Now, what are the various usages? Quickly moving on to them. Reek of a huge scam. Reek of garlic. Garlic has a very odd stench, which is reeks of garlic. If somebody has had garlic in the lunch, he will reek of garlic. He will reek of onion if he has onion in the lunch. Sentence 1. Madhya Pradesh farmers strike. Poverty and politics of loan waivers reeks of cold-blooded populism. Sentence 2. Even with the Swachh Bharat mission to make the citizens aware, there has been little change in the country as a lot of lanes still reek of dirt and garbage. Indian streets are reeking of dirt and garbage, that is stenching, that is smelling of stench and garbage, and disgusting smell. That stink is always there in Indian roads and Indian cities, that they keep on reeking with that particular bad smell. Moving on to word 4 for the day is regimen. Regimen basically means ruling something, a regime, a government, an administration, a process. Hindi would be Sashan, Rajya, Kal. Pronunciation is regimen. Regimen, how do you remember this particular word? Look at the word regimen. It sounds like it is composed of two different words, regi and men. Regulating men. If you want to regulate men, you have to put them into a regimen. If you have to regulate men, you have to put them into a regimen. Something that is regular in nature, you have to keep them on a particular rule. So that is regimen for you. So what are the various usages? The usages will make this word very, very clear. Switched over to a new regimen. A new rule book is followed. You have switched over to a new regimen. Workout regimen. I go to the gym 6 times in a week. That is my workout regimen. Sentence 1. Fitness freak Akshay is very particular about the workout and diet regimen, never succumbing to his love for sweets. Sentence 2. His daily exercise regimen includes a 21-kilometer walk followed by yoga, weight training and high intensity cardio exercises. So his daily exercise regimen is a rule that he follows. Is a this is how he regulates his health through 21-kilometer walk followed by yoga, weight training and high intensity cardio exercises. That is how he maintains his regimen, his routine. So moving on to the last word for the day. Last word for the day is reinvigorate. Reinvigorate basically means renewing, refreshing, stimulating, breathing a new life into something. Something जो मर गया है उसको पुनर्जीवित करना is basically reinvigorate. Antonym is to destroy and kill. Pronunciation reinvigorate. Reinvigorate. Now, what is the Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word? Look at the visual that we have provided. The battery had died and you are charging it. So you are re-injecting vigor into the particular battery. You are re-injecting the vigor. That is the underlined portion. If you look at the underlined portion on the left hand side, it composed of 3 words. Re-injecting of vigor into something is basically when you reinvigorate something. So what are the various usages? Quickly moving on to the usages for this particular word. Reinvigorate the team. Reinvigorate the Nokia brand. Nokia is doing a lot of things to reinvigorate because it was kind of dying. Sentence 1. Britannia's R&D team is looking to reinvigorate as Tiger brand of biscuits in the price conscious customer segment. Britannia is trying to reinvigorate the Tiger brand, which is a success among the villagers. Sentence 2. Sundarban forests depend on water from the Ganges. Building a dam on river Ganges would reinvigorate the river in southern western Bangladesh and some parts of West Bengal too. So building a dam will reinvigorate the Sundarban forest, will give a new life to Sundarban forests if you build a particular dam. It will renew, it will refresh, it will breathe new life into something. That is reinvigorate for you. Now with particular word, we have reached to the end of the presentation for today. The 5 words that you must absolutely know. Now if you have not liked this particular page, if you have not subscribed to it, please do subscribe and please do give your suggestions because those matter a lot. Your feedback, your comments are very, very important to us. They keep us guiding us in the right direction. Now if you have not shared this word with some people, please do share these words with someone whom you think these words can matter and bring a difference into his particular life. We are on a mission to help India move from no English or bad English to a better English, and I think you will definitely help us in getting to that particular number. It was a pleasure interacting with you. Thank you so much.